In this video, I'm going to complete problem 7 and problem 8 from Unit 11, Lesson 2. So how can we simplify each expression? Now I recognize both the left and the right contain a secant squared. So secant squared x, I'm going to factor out. I'm left with tangent squared x plus 1. Let's make sure that works. Distribute and distribute. Now let's think of our trig identities. Tangent squared theta plus 1, or 1 plus tangent squared theta, is equivalent to secant squared theta. So here I can replace this part with secant squared theta. And when I multiply and I have the same base, I keep the base, I add the exponents, and we're done. Now most students had a little more difficulty understanding how to do number 8. I'm going to use this concept of u substitution. I'm going to say u is equal to tangent squared x. So let me rewrite this. This would be like u squared. Why is that? You may be thinking, I don't understand. Well, I have tangent squared x, that's what u is, and I square it, that's what I have here, I end up with tangent to the 4th. So I have u squared plus 2u plus 1. Is it possible to factor this? What multiplies to equal positive 1 and combines to equal 2? 1 and 1. So I'm going to take this portion, I'm going to leave the a, I'm going to leave the c, and I'm going to put in my plus 1 and plus 1 with a u behind. So there's different ways to factor trinomials. This is one way. I can factor out a u, and I'm left with u plus 1. What times u is a positive 1u? A 1. So there's a positive 1u, and this is a 1. They both contain a u plus 1. In front of the first is a u, in front of the back is a 1. So I have the exact same expression written twice. Now what is u? Well, u is essentially tangent squared x plus 1. This is the tangent squared x, and here's your plus 1. And I'm going to write that down twice. Tangent squared x plus 1. And then I go back and I was like, oh, tangent squared x plus 1, remember that's equivalent to secant squared. So this is equal to secant squared x times secant squared x, which essentially is secant, keep the base, add the exponents, secant x to the 4th.